What's up, you guys? Welcome back to HB Fashion. If you're new here, my name is Zach Fobbs, and today I'm going over a topic that we as guys have struggled with ever since the dawn of time, it seems like. And that's, why do women go for the bad boys or the F-boys versus the nice guys? Theoretically, it doesn't make any sense. We're that type of guy that, that's the ideal man, at least what we think according to women. We have a nice stable job, we pay attention to how we look, we pay attention to our style, our grooming, our fitness routines, we have it going. We have such great personalities. We're the ideal boyfriend. So why in the ever-living H do these women go for the guys that are not so good for them? Well, I see a lot of people on Instagram, on TikTok that are talking about why these women go for the bad boys versus the nice guys, and I'm here to tell you it's actually fairly simple. And today I'm going to give you a few solutions on how you can fix your little predicament. Here is why women do not go for nice guys. Starting with the first one, and that's because you're too needy. Or at least you're coming off that way. More often than not, whenever we do get a girl's number, for whatever reason, we put her at priority number one. Whenever she texts us, we're instantly going to text her back. Whenever she's ready to hang out, we're ready to just drop everything and go hang out with her. And what I want you to do is to, number one, stop that and remember that you have your own life, your own goals, your own ambitions that you still need to carry out. You still have priority number 1, 2, 3, and 4 to take care of. I want you to put her at 5 and 6 in terms of the first few stages of your relationship. Don't do this to your current girlfriend that you've been with for months or your wife. That's not going to be good. But if you're just down getting to know this girl, then just take a chill pill. If she texts you, unless it's a direct question, there's no need to text her back just instantly. You can even read it on Reddit if you want to. This is just gonna show her that, yeah, you're busy. You're a busy guy. You have other things you need to do versus just waiting around for her to text you and letting you know when she is ready to hang out. Which actually does bring me to the second part of this first tip. And that's, whenever it comes to you guys hanging out, she'll typically, try to flake on you and just instantly, just drop the bomb. Oh, I'm busy, something came up. And what we, of course, as nice guys try to do is like, okay, cool, when is the next time you can hang out? We just stop that. What I want you to do next time she flakes on you, just for whatever reason, what I want you to do is just send her a text saying, hey, I'm really bummed out that, we couldn't hang out. If you don't think that this can work, I'm bummed out, but it's all chilled. But if in case you do, just let me know whenever you're ready to hang out. I'll see what works and we can work something out. That's it. Something along those lines, but this is basically you taking back that power of, okay, I'm not going to play this game with you, but at the same time, when you're ready to get serious, you know where to find me. And that, in fact, is going to show some brutal honesty. And in fact, a lot of girls are going to respect you for that. Number 2, she thinks that you are weak. Now, when it comes to the first stages of the relationship, there are many girls out there, many girls out there that like to play games. And one of their favorite things to do is just do something that is totally out of this world, that's unexpected, just to get a rise out of us. For example, have you ever just started, talking to a girl, you're getting to know her, and she just instantly throws another guy into the equation? Like, she just starts talking about this guy that she met at the gym, Starbucks, or the book club, whatever. And this is just something to just get a rise out of you. She's looking for how you react in a situation. Are you gonna get all defensive? Are you gonna lash out? Are you gonna start cussing her out? Why are you bringing another guy into the situation? What the age? I thought me and you were, doing something. Dude, that's gonna come off as super weak and not so strong-minded. What I want you to do is stay cool, calm, and collected whenever she is playing these games. And trust me, do not try to win. The best way that you can win is to not play it at all. So what I want you to do is that if, for example, she does show, of you a picture of another guy that she's been hanging out with, she's been talking to on the side with, aside from you as well, then I want you to do is just simply just sit her down and just say, hey, look, like, if you're talking to another guy, cool, I'ma head out. If you're looking for something a little more serious, then yeah, I'm gonna be the one for you. But I'm looking for something, a little bit more serious. I'm not looking to just date casually. And that's gonna show her that, yeah, you're looking for something more than just you guys hooking up and you're just able to just go talk to another girl all willy-nilly. You're looking for something serious. It's gonna show how strong minded you are and how willing you are to stand your ground in the position that you're in, so that she knows when it comes time for things to get rough, you're going to be strong enough to handle some tough situations. And finally, the last reason as to why nice guys do not get the girl is because they don't go for it. When it comes to the first part, the very first thing that you do when it comes to seeing this girl and wanting to ask her out, the biggest mistake the nice guys do is just try to get to know her. Try to befriend her before you make your move, before you shoot your shot. And let me let you know this now, that is the #1 reason why nice guys get friend zoned. They do not make their intentions clear whenever they see a girl that they like, that can potentially see that they have a relationship with. And I'm talking in like 30 seconds to maybe a minute of you seeing this girl for the first time. That is the time where you need to decide whether or not that you're gonna say, okay, I'm just gonna go up to her casually, introduce myself, and just try to get to know her as slow as possible. Take things slow. Or you're gonna say, forget that, I'm gonna go up to her and tell her that, hey, I just saw you from across the room, thought you were very beautiful. I was wondering if you want to grab a cup of coffee with me. Here's my number, blah, 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 blah. Whatever you do to shoot your shot. But what I'm trying to say here is that you need to just make that intention known right away. You need to make sure that you're very clear and you're very precise as to what you're wanting out of that connection between you two. And honestly, she's gonna respect you even more for that, and there's gonna be less inclined for her to put you in the friend zone, because she's not gonna be thinking that you're just looking for a buddy to hang out with, just every now and then. You're looking for a relationship right away, and you're looking for that from her specifically. So guys, do not wait around. If you guys see a girl that you like, or you've been thinking about the time where you need to, set up a time, a place, a day, or whatever to ask out this girl, do it right then and there. The next time you see this girl, I challenge you to just go up to her and just talk to her, just try to break the ice a little bit, then just ask her out, or just ask for her number and see if you can get that first initial spark going. But there's also a flip side to this. The real reason why I want you to do this is that in case that you do get rejected, you can move on instantly. The faster you do this, the faster you can move on from this girl and go to the next. I guarantee you this is gonna save you a lot of time, a lot of heartache, and in some cases a lot of money and energy in terms of trying to spend some time or try to get to know this girl, all for her just to dump you. Or brutally break your heart and by telling you that she views you as just a friend or a brother. But I'm just trying to save you guys from all of that. But that's all I have for you today, guys. I'm not necessarily trying to turn anyone into a bad boy or an F-boy. I'm not even trying to tell you to take a page out of their book. Just take some subtle notes down just so that you can help your chances out and come out of that nice guy sort of syndrome sort of zone, and not necessarily be a bad boy, but just be an all-around good guy. I think that's a good medium between bad boy and nice guy, and that's just a good guy. You're a good guy, so why wouldn't any woman want to go out with you? You know who you are, you know what you want, you know what you need to do to exactly go out and get it. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here to the channel, subscribe, help us build the HB community. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.